Once in a tranquil village nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Himalayas, there lived a young boy named Surya. Surya was known for his inquisitive nature and his burning desire to understand the world and the people around him. He had heard tales of a wise Zen master who resided atop a nearby mountain, and he believed that the answers he sought could be found in the wisdom of this revered teacher. One crisp morning, Surya embarked on a journey to find the Zen master, guided by the whispering winds and the rustling leaves. After a long and arduous climb, he finally reached the humble abode of the Zen master, a small wooden hut perched on the edge of a cliff. The master, an old man with a serene countenance, welcomed Surya with a warm smile. "Master," Surya began, with a deep bow, "I seek your guidance in understanding the 10 habits that can earn respect from others, as taught by Zen Buddhism." The Zen master nodded, acknowledging Surya's request. He gestured for the young boy to sit, and the two of them found themselves in quiet contemplation. After a moment, the master spoke. "Habit 1, young one, is to practice mindfulness. Be fully present in every moment, whether you are walking, eating, or simply breathing. This presence will draw people towards your authenticity." Surya nodded and listened intently as the master continued. "Habit 2 is to show compassion. Treat all living beings with kindness and empathy, for in doing so you reflect the interconnectedness of all things. Habit 3, the master continued, is to let go of attachments. Understand that nothing in this world is permanent, and by releasing your attachments, you free yourself from suffering. Habit 4, he said, is to cultivate humility. True strength lies in recognizing your own imperfections and learning from them. Others will respect your willingness to grow." Surya was captivated by the wisdom of the Zen master, and he eagerly absorbed each teaching. Habit 5, the master continued, is to speak with wisdom and kindness. Words have great power, so use them thoughtfully to uplift and inspire. As the day turned to evening, the Zen master went on. Habit 6 is to practice patience. In a world filled with haste, learn to wait with grace. Patience reflects a deep understanding of the ebb and flow of life. Habit 7, he added, is to work diligently. Whatever your chosen path, give your best effort. People will admire your dedication and perseverance. Surya's heart swelled with gratitude for the master's guidance. Habit 8, the master said, is to live a simple life. Material possessions can burden the spirit. Simplicity allows your true self to shine. Habit 9, he continued, is to listen deeply. Pay attention not only to words, but also to the unspoken. By listening, you show respect for the thoughts and feelings of others. Finally, the Zen master shared the last habit. Habit 10 is to be grateful. Cultivate a heart filled with gratitude for all that life offers, and others will be drawn to your positive energy. Surya felt a profound sense of enlightenment as he absorbed the master's teachings. "Thank you, master," he said with deep reverence. "These habits are the keys to earning respect from others, and I will carry them with me on my journey." The Zen master smiled at Surya, his eyes filled with ancient wisdom. "Remember, young one, these habits are not just for earning respect from others, but for finding inner peace and wisdom within yourself. When you embody these habits, you become a source of inspiration and a beacon of light for all." With these profound teachings, Surya left the mountaintop with a heart full of gratitude and a mind brimming with wisdom. He knew that the journey to mastering these 10 habits would be a lifelong pursuit, but he was determined to follow the path of Zen and share the profound teachings with the world. Thank you for being a part of our journey in exploring the wisdom of Zen. We hope these teachings will inspire you to cultivate these habits in your own life. Remember, the path to respect and inner peace is a lifelong endeavor, but with dedication and mindfulness, it is a journey worth taking. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on our channel, and may the principles of Zen guide you towards a life filled with wisdom, compassion, and gratitude. Until next time, may your path be filled with serenity and understanding.